Alright, so I'm going to show you how I mix my keto coffee. I have my bag open and I got this frother. I can send you the link to this, but this makes it really easy to make and it just makes it really frothy and delicious. So what I do, I got my hot water out of my Keurig. Of course you can get hot water however you want. And then I just dump it in and I froth it. Alright, so that is it. Easy peasy. I'll show you another way as well if you don't have a frother. Alright, so here is another way to make your skinny coffee or keto coffee if you do not have a frother. So I already put just a little bit of room temperature water in here, and I'm going to mix the coffee in with just that little bit of water. And again, it's room temperature or cold water. Okay, I'm gonna take a fork. I'm gonna stir it up really good. And the reason you have to do this is because of the butter that's in there, so it doesn't get clumpy. And then I'm going to add my hot water. Then I'm just gonna stir it again. And it is good to go. So that's how you make it. Enjoy!